Hello everybody and welcome to a new series here on MedSolutTV. In the short videos of this series named What Is, we're going to explain to you the product categories we've got in our portfolio and especially what you have to keep an eye on while deciding for one of these high quality products. Let us start with the first category today and the question, what is an autoclave? An autoclave is a sealable vessel in which materials or instruments can be treated thermally under high pressure. In general, they are used in every laboratory, for example, for the sterilization of instruments and materials. But as well, they can be used for carrying out chemical reactions or for material testings under high temperature and pressure. They should just be used by trained personnel, and this is why the most of the manufacturers, as well the manufacturers we've got in our portfolio, offer such trainings for your personnel. And this is where we point the second question. What is the device's classification? First of all, there is the Class B autoclave, which has got nothing to do with school grades besides, as you may have already known. But the Class B autoclave is known as the vacuum method, and it is useful for treating solid materials, especially those offering porous materials and hollow bodies. You should not treat liquids with this one. Therefore, you could make use of a steam sterilizator like the S-Class autoclave, which is offering the possibility of treating solids and liquids, but not those offering porous materials or hollow bodies. The N-Class autoclave as well is a steam sterilizator, and of this one you could especially make use for unwrapped instruments, for materials, for the immediate use, and so on. And there is where we want to ask the third and last question. What is the criterion for a correct solution? Autoclaves differ various characteristics according to their field of use. So you need to be sure which kind of material you're going to treat with, and afterwards you have to consider the application size and volume, the power and installation, and the orientation of the chamber or the loading. We offer a lot of different manufacturers inside our portfolio. If you're interested in some more service, make sure to visit medsolut.com and to contact my colleagues in the MedSolut headquarter. As well, you could watch some more videos on MedSolutTV. Therefore, you just have to click the subscribe button and the bell for not missing them. And as well, as always, I've got to say goodbye and have a nice day.